Good morning students, myself Ravina. Today we learn about the topic solid state, unit 1 in semester 2. Okay, I think already you are learning your intermediate class. Now we again learn in your degree semester 2. Okay, first of all, in universe associated with 2 mass plus energy. Again the mass is available in the form of in this type of physical state. Okay, mass is associated with 2 components, universe is associated with 2 components, mass plus energy. Again the mass or matter are available in this physical state. First one solid state, second one liquid state, third one gaseous state, and fourth one plasma, and fifth one Bose-Einstein condensed state. Okay, now we learn about the symmetry of crystals. Crystal యొక్క symmetry ఎలా ఉంటుంది అనేది నేర్చుకుంటాం. All the crystals of a substance having same elements of symmetry is nothing but if you take a substance, in that substance some of the crystals are present. All the crystals of a substance having same elements of symmetry. Okay, there are mainly 3 types of symmetry elements are present. Symmetry elements are present. First one, axis of symmetry. Second one, plane of symmetry. Third one, center of symmetry. Okay, again I will explain. Your universe is associated with mass plus energy. Again the mass or matter are available in this physical state. First one solid state, second one liquid state, third one gaseous state, fourth one plasma, fifth one Bose-Einstein condensed state. In this lesson we learn about the topic symmetry of crystals. Crystals యొక్క symmetry అనేది ఎలాగుంటుందని నేర్చుకుంటాం. All the crystals of a substance having same elements of symmetry. ఓకే, మీరు తీసుకున్న సబ్స్టెన్స్లో క్రిస్టల్స్ అనేవి సేమ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రీ ఉంటుందని చెప్తాం. దేర్ ఆర్ మెయిన్లీ 3 types of symmetry elements: axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, center of symmetry. Let us see what is axis of symmetry. Okay, what is axis of symmetry? If a crystal getting indistinguishable configuration by rotating an angle through theta axis. Are you able to understand my words? If a crystal getting indistinguishable configuration by rotating an angle through theta, ఒక క్రిస్టల్ తీసుకొని ఒక యాక్సిస్ గుండా కానీ టీటా యాంగిల్తో రొటేట్ చేసినట్లయితే ఆ క్రిస్టల్కి యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రీ ఉంటుందని చెప్తాం. ఇన్ దిస్ ద సిమెట్రీ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈస్ axis, and the symmetry operation is rotation. ఓకే, ఒక క్రిస్టల్ని తీసుకొని రొటేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు టీటా ఇన్ ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ యాక్సిస్, ఒక యాక్సిస్ గుండా యాంగిల్ యూస్ చేసుకొని క్రిస్టల్ని కానీ రొటేట్ చేసినట్లయితే దానికి యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రీ ఉంటుందని చెప్తాం. నెక్స్ట్ n ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఫోల్డింగ్ యాక్సిస్ ఆఫ్ సిమెట్రీ. n equal to 360 by theta, where theta equal to rotated angle. Okay, for example, if you take theta equal to 180 degrees, n equal to 360 by 180 is equal to 2. Two-fold axis of symmetry. That means C2 axis of symmetry. Okay. If you take a simple cubic crystal, if you pass an axis through like this and rotate an angle 180 degrees, then we get C2 axis of symmetry. This crystal having C2 axis of symmetry. If crystal rotated at 180 degrees, then it gets C2 axis of symmetry. Okay. Again, theta equal to 120 degrees, n equal to 360 by 120, then we get 3. Three-fold axis of symmetry, that is C3 axis of symmetry. If you take a simple cubic crystal, if you rotate the crystal like this at 120 degrees, then we get C3 axis of symmetry. Okay, are you able to understand what is axis of symmetry? If you rotate the crystal through axis by an angle theta, then we get axis of symmetry. Next, second one, plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry. In this mainly, it is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line which the object is divided into two halves, nothing but two equal parts. Then we said that it is having plane of symmetry. Okay, in this the symmetry element is plane, and the symmetry operation is rotation. In this there are two types. First one, rectangular plane of symmetry. Second one, diagonal plane of symmetry. Okay, let us see what is rectangular plane of symmetry. For example, if you take a simple cubic crystal, if you cut the crystal into two equal parts, that means if you cut the crystal into two equal parts, then we get the crystal having rectangular plane of symmetry. Okay, again, If you take another crystal, cubic crystal, if you cut the crystal into two equal parts, it get a rectangular plane of symmetry. Okay, rectangular plane of symmetry is nothing but if you cut the crystal into two equal parts, means which are mirror images to each other, then we said that rectangular plane of symmetry. Okay, second one, diagonal plane of symmetry. Diagonal plane of symmetry. Again, if you take a simple cubic crystal, which are touches the faces, then we said that diagonal plane of symmetry. Okay, if you cut the crystal into in this way, then we get diagonal plane of symmetry. If you take another cubic crystal, if we cut the crystal into two equal parts, this is diagonal plane of symmetry. This is also diagonal plane of symmetry. Finally, a cubic crystal having three rectangular planes of symmetry, and six diagonal planes of symmetry. Okay. Third one, center of symmetry. What is center of symmetry? The point which is situated at the center of the crystal or object, and all the planes having equal distance from the point. Okay, are you able to understand? Center of symmetry, the point which is situated at the center of the crystal or object and all the planes having equal distance from the point. Let us see an example. If you take a simple cubic crystal, the point which is situated at the center of the object or crystal, which having an equal distance, then we said that the crystal having center of symmetry. Okay. In this crystal, the symmetry element is point and the symmetry operation is crystal, and the symmetry operation is inversion. Okay, if you take a simple cubic crystal, the point is at the middle of the crystal which having an equal distance at all faces, then we said that the crystal having center of symmetry. Finally, we learned that a simple cubic crystal having 23 symmetry elements are there. Okay, I already told you that in a plane of symmetry, there are 13 symmetry elements are present. Sorry, axis of symmetry. In plane of symmetry, 9 symmetry elements are present. In center of symmetry, 1 is present. Totally 23 symmetry elements are present. Okay, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Thank you, students.